You turn on your computer and it takes forever to boot. Then you open Task Manager and see dozens of apps already running. Most of them you don't even need them. In this video I will show you how to fully control your startup apps. From basic methods to advanced ones most people don't know. After this, your PC will start much faster. What are startup programs? Startup programs are apps that launch automatically when Windows starts. These often include messengers, game launchers, some tools, background services, updaters, sometimes even malware. And the problem, when there are many of them, they slow down your PC, increase your boot time, and run in the background for no reason. The first method, Task Manager. It's the easiest method. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Here you will see a list of programs that start up with your Windows. Their startup impact, low or high. Leave a comment how many startups do you have here. Very interesting. To disable a program, right-click it, click Disable. Here you will find Open File Location as well. In some cases you may decide that this app you don't need anymore and uninstall it from your PC. Don't keep apps that you don't need. Important things: if you disable the startup, this is very safe. You're not deleting anything, just preventing auto start. And don't disable everything. Keep enable antivirus if you need it, drivers, if they are really drivers and not the updaters, and system-related processes. In my case, ASUS Mouse Agent is needed for better mouse control. If you are not sure, just Google the program name. The second method, Windows Settings. Go to Settings, Apps, Startup. This shows the same list, but in a simpler interface. You can toggle apps on or off and see their impact as well. This is great for beginners. Next, method 3, Startup Folder. Press Windows R, type shell startup. This opens the startup folder with shortcuts. Everything here launches with Windows. To disable, simply delete the shortcut. I don't have anything here because this is an old method. Modern apps don't use it, but old soft can. There's also a global startup folder, shell common startup. Check it as well. The fourth method is a registry. This one is for advanced users. Type in the start reg edit, go to these branches: HK current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, run, and the same in HK local machine. These contain startup entries, and there is a subkey auto runs disabled with disabled ones. You can delete unwanted apps from run key or move it to disabled key. To disable, of course. But be careful, only remove what you understand. And if you are moving the value, it should contain right data. Another way, you couldn't restore it. The next advanced method, number 5, Task Scheduler. Some programs don't use startup. They use scheduled tasks. This is the modern and the best way to use startup in the apps. Open Task Scheduler, you can type it in the start or search, go to Task Scheduler library, you can check subfolders as well. Look for auto-update tasks, unknown entries, apps you don't want to automatically start up. You can disable or delete them with right mouse button. But here you can find more advanced tip. You can set a delay for it. Click Properties, Triggers tab. If there is nothing, click New, choose for example Add Logon of user, and here set up the delay task for, or type the time. At this case your PC will boot faster and only after that delay this app will try to start up. There are many variants of triggers and conditions in Task Scheduler. You can try to configure them as better for you. Method number 6. Third-party tools. Some tools show everything in one place. All startups from Task Manager, Registry and Task Schedulers. One of such apps is My Program PC No Problems. Here you can find Auto Run page. Click All. And you will see a full list where you can disable, enable, delete all you want and even add some your own app to auto-run and make a delay automatically. These functions are completely free. For advanced users, Services page. Here you can disable different system services and free up your PC resources, for example, Windows Defender, Update Center and many other categories. Here you will find the manual disabling that is free and smart disabling that is working in Pro mode. Learn more on the official website. And at the end, one more question. Why programs come back? You disable them and they return. Possible reasons are auto-update features, built-in protection, malware. What to do? Disable startup inside the app itself. For example, to disable the Edge background services, you need to disable it in its settings here. If you don't need this app, uninstall it completely. I hope this video was useful for you. Support it with your comment, share how many auto starts you had on your computer. Subscribe this channel and watch other my videos and your PC will be even faster.